Hello everyone, today I want to show you how to download the game from the Pixel shop tinfoil. Alright, if you already in the tinfoil main menu, you can go here, new games, or here the recommended game. You can select one of the game in here. For example, maybe I will download this one. Right, okay, and you press A, and please make sure to change the include latest update to yes, and include all DLC to yes, and location to SD card. Okay, after you set, you can go ahead and click install. Okay, while waiting, you can go ahead and press B to minimize the downloading bar here. Okay, and press B again, and in the tinfoil main menu you can see the progress bar from here Q. You can see over here it's still downloading, right, with speed 1.3 megabyte per second. For the size 699 megabyte. Okay, this one is for the update, I think. Okay, and the size is 733 megabyte, right? It's still on queue, waiting for the first installation to be finished first, and then the update will be automatically downloaded. Okay, while waiting, you cannot close the tinfoil. Let it be like this. Okay, don't close it. If you close it, the download will be stopped and you will be beginning from the start. Okay, if the download already complete, like this one, right, you can go ahead and close the tinfoil. Please. Okay, can you see the game is right over here? You can try to open it or play it, I mean. Right. Okay, see you later. Don't forget to subscribe if you like my video. Bye.